All right, here we go again. This time, Utopia of the Seas 3-day cruise. All right, we've been on board for 1 hour now. Just had a phenomenal seafood lunch at the Windjammer.
Lots of salmon.
We're currently here in the solarium, taking up some vibes right now. Got ourselves some drinks rolling. It's a beautiful day here on the Utopia of the Seas. Let's go. All right, we're out here a couple hours away from sail away time, about to do a little flow rider action with the boys. All right, boys, how'd the flow rider sesh go?
Good, got to stand up on demand twice. Better than I thought.
First time, let's go.
Got my first spin on the boogie board. Let's go! Out here, we're sailing away out of Port Canaveral. All right, boys, we're out here to do a little laser tag action. Let's get it. Ultimate abyss slide, here we go. We're out here, formal night, just got ready, it's time to go out. The boys are out here, formal night of the cruise, Central Park. Coastal Kitchen tonight. Boy. Tell me, what do you have to say?
Top notch.
Here, day 3 of the cruise. We're about to go head to Coco K. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Perfect day at Coco K.
It is a beautiful day here at Perfect Day at Coco K. We are going to South Beach right now.
Out here in the Rising Tide Bar. About to go up. Here we are. Last night for them. Not for us. Not for me.